Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on the home screen button with Assistive Touch on the iPhone 13 series. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe across and find Settings. Next, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Accessibility, then go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch, and then tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now once it is on, you can tap on it, and here is the home button. So if you tap on that, that will allow you to quickly go back to the home screen. Now you can also go back to the home screen by swiping up, but if you find that is not a very comfortable way of going back to the home screen, you can simply just tap on the home button from the Assistive Touch. Now you can also reorganize your Assistive Touch menu so that when you tap on this button, it will immediately take you back to the home screen instead of open up a menu, or you can assign a shortcut to a single tap, double tap, or long press. So I'll show you how to do that now. So in Settings, we go back to Assistive Touch, and in here you can tap on Customize Top Level Menu. Okay, so you can remove all the icons in here, okay, and leave it to the only one icon and tap on that. And then in here, just go down and choose Home, then tap on Done. And now if I tap on it, you can see that will immediately take me back to the home screen. Okay, so that is one of the way. I'm going to reset it now. And another way is to use the shortcut instead. So you can choose single tap, double tap, or long press. So for example, if I choose long press, and in here I can choose Home for long press, so that if I long press on this button, it will take me back to the home screen. And let's test it again. If I long press, you can see it will take me back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.